I'd like to start with taking a quick look at the new color space options that you can take advantage of with V-Ray 5, and cover a few UI changes we made to the Render Settings UI. In the V-Ray tab here, let's drop down the color mapping settings. Here, we'll find a menu for changing the rendering color space. You'll see here that V-Ray 5 now comes with a native implementation of the ACEScg color space, which is the Academy color encoding system, developed by the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences. ACEScg works with a lot more color information than sRGB, and has become the industry standard of the ACES encoding system for computer graphics. In V-Ray 5, there are two ways to render in ACEScg, either switching the rendering color space here, or using the recommended approach, which is to leave this color space on the default from Maya preferences, and specify ACEScg as the rendering color space in Maya's color management preferences. Then you can use the color management rules to automatically apply the input color space for your textures. Each of these methods has further considerations regarding the color space for certain textures, such as bump mapping, normal mapping, and displacement. You can also still override the color space of specific file nodes for textures not covered by the Maya color management rules. Since you'll need to decide which workflow best suits your specific scene, we recommend that you take a look at our docs page for additional information about rendering with ACEScg. For example, the OpenColorIO variable is still an option in V-Ray 5, and you can follow the steps in our docs for more information.